this one, this one, this one, this one. So sound good like this one. Yeah, so I think someone can sing or rap on this beat. Yeah, so I don't care about it, but it's good. Yeah, it sounds good as you hear. So let's jump to my melodies. And I just started with this one, orchestra from Cyprus. I already use this in many beats, so I just like how it sounds, and it's stock plugin. So I just play simple and they sound like this one. Yeah, simple like this one, some orchestra. After that, I play this nice bass guitar. It's called B flat or it sounds always it sound good. It's like when it's like as a bass guitar, live bass guitar. So here it sounds. So I just don't want to go as much crazy to my bass. Yeah, so after that I add this was guitar chorus from Symphonies. Yeah, sound good like this one. Yeah, after that I add this bell, also it's from Citrus. Yeah, after that I just add this one whistle from Symphonies. Yeah, after that I add such a melody in this FM flute from Citrus, and I just play below. Simple as this one. This is things are over in my beat, so I'm gonna take your time to listen a little bit, and this instrument will be available in this channel. So guys, if you need this instrument also, don't forget to contact me and go through to this video description. So my name is johfoxer. Also I'm available on TikTok at producer johfoxer. So let's hear a little bit how I make this. Foxer. if you appreciate for what I'm done, like this video. Also, if you appreciate producer, just also like the video, subscribe, comment, and I will go through. So thank you for watching.